part 2 of how to create and edit lessons. Welcome back to the second part of our training series. Now that you've explored the Lessons tab, let's dive into creating and editing your lessons, then submitting them for certification. In the My Lessons tab, you can edit lessons you've copied from the Marketplace or organization libraries, or start fresh by creating your own. To locate a specific lesson, use the familiar filter icon. There's an extra filter option here, the Certification Status field. This lets you view all lessons based on their status. Certified lessons are those you've submitted to your admin who has reviewed and approved them. Once certified, they appear in the organization library and can be included in weekly plans. For more details, check out our How to Create Weekly Plans video. Pending lessons are those awaiting your admin's approval. There are also rejected lessons, which your admin did not approve, and lessons without any certification status yet. When you find the lesson you want to edit, open it and select the pencil icon at the top. Make any necessary adjustments, scroll to the bottom, and click Submit to save your changes. Use Submit and Request Approval when you're ready for the admin to review your lesson. You can also request approval directly without editing by clicking Request Approval at the top of the lesson preview screen. To create a new lesson from scratch, click the Add Lesson icon on the top right. Fill in the necessary information, including optional learning outcomes, images, and materials. To add learning outcomes, choose from the list or expand the filter menu at the top to select a specific curriculum and its outcomes. If your center uses multiple curriculums, select the desired one along with the domain and focus area, then minimize the filter and select the outcome to tag. After selecting the applicable outcomes, click Accept to tag them, and you'll see the tags displayed. You can also attach images or other documents. The first image file you add will be the default lesson thumbnail, but you're free to add more. Choose your own images or ones from the library. The library includes options from our global library, your organization's collection curated by your admin, or your personal library. Alternatively, upload directly from your computer for one-time use. When adding materials, list the material name and quantity needed per child. For items not needed per child, like a book for class reading or pre-stocked items like paint, enter NA. Materials listed here help create shopping lists for group weekly plans. Watch our video on generating shopping lists for more details. Once you're finished, you can either save your draft by pressing Submit or, if ready, Submit and Request Approval. Once approved by admin, this lesson will be shared to your organization's library and will be available to add to your weekly learning plans. This wraps up our 2-part training on lesson creation. Next, be sure to review our How to Create Weekly Learning Plans training video.